back in the kitchen again. We're going to cook some what we call bum-nuts. Bum-nuts is a chicken egg and a good old egg carton. We call these things here, Aussie, we call them bum-nuts because it comes out of a chicken, which we call a chook. So it comes out of a chook's bum and it looks like a nut, so I call it a bum-nut. Anyway, we're going to boil a few today, and I'm going to just have boiled eggs on toast, and I'm going to put a little bit of Vegemite, so I'll show you soon how to use the old Vegemite. Alright, okay, I'm just throwing half a dozen eggs in there, bung the lid on, come with a boil. Depends how you want them, soft or hard. I like mine hard in a boiled egg, so we'll check it out in the old bum-nut. Alright, here's a bit of a trick on how to do your eggs. What I do is very simple. Just give them a bit of a break around like this, something hard, and I roll in my hand until they become a little bit soft, like so, and you just peel them, and they come off a treat. Look at that. One peeled bum-nut, what a beauty. Last one. Alright. Do what works for you, always that. Don't know what anybody else saying, you do what you want. Okay, that's our bum nuts. I always put them in a bit of paper towel in a box and put them in the fridge because I'm only having a couple today. Anyway, we'll get our toast going. We'll be back. Right, let's get our toast. That's pretty good. The old toast. Now, this is Australian Vegemite, but if you've got Promite or Marmite, it's just as good. I use this because it just gives it a bit of bite. And the way you use Vegemite, everybody, is think of it like soya sauce. You don't drink it, soya sauce, you only use a little tiny bit. The same goes for Vegemite. And I'll show you. I don't put butter on my toast when I'm having eggs. When I was just having Vegemite, I'd smother it in butter. And all you do is just a little bit like so. That's it. It's very, very salty, but it really sets the eggs off well. I don't put any pepper or anything with my eggs because the Vegemite does the job for me. Gives me the flavour I'm after. Remember, you do what you want, what you like. That's the way to go. Anyway, one bum nut. What I do is cut him in half, cut him in quarters, and just flip him out. And there's a bum nut on toast. Another one. Same again. Just flip him out. And that's it. And that there is a simple, easy lunch. It's very, very good. So, easy to do, and it's nice. And you can get on with your day. Alright, thanks guys for watching.